Good morning, guys. This is Monday. I've done so far a bit earlier. I've took the bed out, and now that panel, I'm going to do the skylight. And move it over what I marked originally. But yeah, there's the fan unit. I'm making the framework round it for now, so that then, like I said, there's the banks. That's the insulation. And then what I'm going to do is cut out here. I'm not really happy about that. It's not in the centre, so I just might move it over a bit. Insulate that, stick that up, take that light off. I'm going to put a batten on here underneath that there. And then I could put some battens there. So then I can, so then on there I can, fasten the rear bit. So then these, they're not too bad, but it's just in the plywood's got something to fasten onto here. Yeah. So yeah, there's my bed, what's been built there, that bit there. I'll just turn you around. And then that's the bed bit there, and we've got to come up to this pole there. That to that be the other part of the seating. And then from here, move dog, move, to about here, it's going to be, to about here, it's going to be where the shower bit is. And the shower bit's going to come out here, come out about here, and it should be plenty enough room then. So I've still got plenty to do, since it's a nice day. I'm going to get up on the roof and that, and do a bit, get the skylight in. And there's a wasp there. There you go, wasp. Yeah, so I'll try and record as much as I can. Right, guys, skylight's in now, frame. And what I'm doing now is I'm putting the bed in. I'm cutting, I don't know if you can see or not, cutting some notches out. I cut some notches out, and ow, my finger. I think I need to wash my hands. Wash my hands and that, because I think I've got bits of metal. But yeah, so that skylight's in. Got to do the wires, do the plywood, do that, do this, do that, do this. I've got silicone on me. Yeah, guys, so it's coming together now. And yeah, get Heather's bed rebuilt. And then, yeah, it's going to be a bit better. Once I've done the bed bit at the back here, I'm gonna shut these back doors so the sun isn't in my fucking bloody eyes. Right, I'll speak to you in a bit.